Ask about our wrap package that is included in the price. This Chevrolet Express cargo van boasts a gas V8 4.8 liter/293 engine powering this automatic transmission. Rear park assist, visors, driver and front passenger vinyl in lieu of standard cloth. Transmission, 6-speed automatic, heavy-duty, electronically controlled with overdrive tow/haul mode and internal transmission oil cooler (STD). This Chevrolet Express cargo van comes equipped with these options: convenience package, tilt wheel and K34, cruise control, summit white, seats, front bucket with custom cloth trim head restraints and inboard armrests includes, BA3, console with swing-out storage bin, seating arrangement, driver and front passenger high back buckets with head restraints and vinyl or cloth trim, STD, remote keyless entry with transmitters and remote panic button, rear vision camera display integrated into rear view mirror, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, neutral, custom cloth seat trim, mirrors, outside heated power adjustable, black, manual folding, heater, rear auxiliary. Stop by today. A short visit to Laird Wheaton located at 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia V9T3L3 can get you a hassle-free deal on this tried and true express cargo van today.